Malhun Hatun real lifestyle. Malhun Hatun. Real name Yildiz Cagri Atkosy. Date of birth, she was born in 1st April 1989. Birthplace and age. Her birthplace is Karachi, Turkey. She is 35 years old. Nationality. Her nationality is Turkish. Profession. She is actress by profession. Religion. Her religion is Islam. Ethnicity. Her ethnicity is white. Residence. She is currently live in Istanbul, Turkey. Zodiac sign. Her zodiac sign is Aries. Weight. Her weight is 56 kg. Height. She is 5 feet and 9 inches tall. Hair and eyes. Her hair color is black. Her eyes color is brown. Career. Is her most famous series. Other series Kayi'nin Sehitleri. Hobbies. She liked singing and traveling. She also likes book reading. Marital status. She is married. Net worth. Her net worth is approximately $1 million. Cars. She has Range Rover. Awards. Golden Palm Awards 2021. Best TV Series Actress of Year Award 2021. Qualifications: high school graduated. Favorite food, pizza and pasta. Favorite color, yellow and black. Favorite pet, cat. Favorite game, football. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.